Hi, Brad from Brad'sAutoglass.com, back glass slider on eBay. Today's video is on a 1999 to 2007 Ford F-250, 350, 450, 550 sliding rear window center replacement. This particular part is custom made by me, engineered by me, to be able to install without having to remove the slider from the pickup truck. Previously, our part had to have the entire unit removed from the truck to install it, and I've since redesigned it. This is also the only part available from only me anywhere on the World Wide Web that installs in the fashion that I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So I want you to see that I have an original Ford car light slider, and you need to check for the word car light on your slider. And you can see on this particular unit, this is the window we're going to install. Right down here in the outside corner, it says car light. And if you can't see it from the outside of the truck, get inside and look for it. But right down here in this corner, it's going to say car light, or it's going to say Ford. If it does not, if it says anything else, this part will not fit. So here is our part. Comes with our one-piece latch. It's reasonably unbreakable. It doesn't have the spring style like the original that falls apart. And we're going to do an installation laying here in the box, but it's basically going to be the same thing in the truck. So I'm going to have my camera gal move. Pause. The things that you're going to need to install are a pair of needle nose pliers, a spatula, and this is one of those, it was originally more blue. It's real thin. It needs to be real thin. If you've got one of the chrome ones with chrome plating on it, it's thick and more for scraping and cleaning up debris off the floor. It's not the one you want to use. You want this real nice flimsy one. And then you want some soapy water in a bottle. And the first thing you're going to do when you go inside your truck to install this is you're going to pull this top molding out with the needle nose like I just did. It's that easy. Keep the top and the bottom separate. And if you look at them, you can see that they have weep holes, and the weep holes go towards the opening. You can see what I mean by the weep holes. I'm going to put those out there. Now the next thing you want to do is on the outside you want to take a wooden stick and go along the top and pull this rubber back from the cab and work some soapy water under there. And then you want to go around and reach through the cab and twist this on here. You may also want to put your foot on the bottom of this and just tug up a little bit to just move the opening towards being more friendly. Alright, so I'm going to spray a little soapy water up to the top and run my thumb along and pull this gasket back a little bit and rub that in there. And it'll be a little different because you'll be in the truck, of course, but to make this video easier for you to understand. Now, if you look at the top of this window, you can see there's a flat edge here and then a flat edge here, and there's a peak right here. And you want to line that right up in the center of the window because that's where the biggest part of the opening is. And then come along here and push on this rubber and take, and you can see how it'll move, and push it down. Of course a helicopter would fly over right when I'm doing this. So you want to make sure you get this just right, so you flip this, and just like that. It goes in that easily. Well, maybe not that easily, but. So then you take your bottom track, weep holes to the center, and you slip it underneath the glass, and be careful going by the felt that you don't ruin that felt. And you can feel it hang up if you're doing any damage. Those just click back in place. Now this one on this side does not have any weep holes, so that's how you know which one the top is. And you're going to take and you're going to come over here so you can see better what I'm doing. You're going to put it in this top channel, and just slide it right over the top of the glass, but you got to be careful getting by there. You can see that felt wanted to trip us up. And then get it in place there, snap it in, and just like that, the part is in. Latches, locks, opens and closes all the way, just like the original. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at the phone number below or by email. Thanks. I'm Brad from bradsautoglass.com.